In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync WooCommerce products to Google in minutes. By the end, your store will be ready to surface products on Google, helping shoppers find you faster without complicated setup. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins. In the plugin area, open the Add New screen and use the search bar to enter the word Google. You're looking for the Google for WooCommerce solution that integrates directly with your store. Click it, then choose Install. Once installation finishes, you may see the button switch to activate. If it does, go ahead and enable it so the connection is ready to use. Next, look to the left-hand WordPress menu and open the Marketing section. Inside there, you'll find Google for WooCommerce. Click that to launch the guided setup. On the welcome screen, choose the option that says Sell More on Google. This opens the official onboarding flow designed to connect your store and prepare your product feed. Now it's time to connect your Google account. Click the Connect button and follow the prompts on your screen. You'll be asked to sign into your Google account and grant permissions so the integration can create and manage your product data. The prompts may ask you to review basic store details such as your business location, language, and how you handle shipping and taxes. Simply continue through each screen, confirming the information that matches your store. The setup will then begin syncing your WooCommerce catalog so products can appear on Google surfaces. While the sync runs, keep your browser tab open and give it a moment to finish. If your store has many items, this first pass can take a bit longer as images and descriptions are prepared. If you don't see the option you expect, make sure WooCommerce is active and your WordPress version is up to date. It also helps to ensure your products have clear titles, accurate prices, stock status, and at least one image, since high-quality product data speeds up approval and improves visibility. When the connection completes, you'll land on a summary page showing that your store is linked and your products are being pushed to Google. That's it. You've opened your site, installed the Google integration, launched it from Marketing, selected Sell More on Google, and connected your Google account by following the on-screen prompts. Your catalog will continue to sync automatically, keeping your listings aligned with your store. Thanks for watching and enjoy the extra reach your products will get on Google.